Tracy Henderson is here with us this morning, Director of Admissions at Daymar College. And you guys are hosting Career Camp. What a great opportunity.
It's going to be a really fun day, a really laid-back event for people who are stressed out about entering the workforce.
And it can be stressful because, especially in the current economic times we've had, we have more people looking for jobs possibly than there are jobs open. So you really have to be competitive when you're applying somewhere.
That's right. We're going to try to help people figure out how to stand above the crowd and outshine the rest of the applicants.
Yeah, and one way you can do that is with a strong resume. And that's something you're going to tackle at camp.
Exactly. We're going to have, it's going to be a very informal event, and people can walk in and find the spot where you can work on resumes. They can work on their interview skills. We'll even help people figure out what to wear in their interviews. You know, we'll be very kind. If they want to bring their interviews for us to critique, we'll be glad to do that too, along with their resumes.
Right. Maybe even somebody will give you a mock interview. That would be helpful.
Yes, we'll do those too.
Now, are these professors that are doing this, or who do you have teaching your workshops?
We'll have our instructors and a couple people from the community, a couple of business leaders, and then us in the office staff as well.
Okay, excellent. And you guys have, let's see, over 500 students there at Daymar, and of course they're studying and preparing for their future careers as well. So they might even, I mean, they'll probably be right there on their campus.
They sure will. And this is a service that we offer all of our students and graduates anyway, and so we wanted to share that with the community for an afternoon.
That's excellent. Is it open to anybody, any age?
Anybody, any age, anyone who's looking for a job.
Perfect. I know, again, that there are a lot of people out there, which is unfortunate, but it's a situation that you can turn around if you equip yourself with the right skills and abilities. So when is Career Camp coming up?
It is on Thursday, on March the 10th, from 2 until 4 in the afternoon, right there on our campus at Daymar College.
Can you come and go as you please, or do you probably need to set aside time to be there for the whole 2 hours?
They'll definitely be available for the whole 2 hours, but if people just want to come and go for a few minutes and check things out, and like I said, if they want to just work on their resume, they can do that, or practice their interview skills. Either way, whatever they would like to do. Cool.
Now, is this like a workshop setting, or is it booths that you visit, or how will it
Different little workshops around our campus. We'll have a couple of different areas set aside, and they can just visit and come and go as they please.
Okay, perfect. Now, if people want to bring their resume, is that okay? You'll have time to go over that, critique that, take a red pen to it, make suggestions.
And we'll have some computer space set aside so that they can come in and actually work on theirs with someone over their shoulder kind of guiding them a little bit.
That's great, because that can be tricky to know what to put on there and how updated it should be and how far back you should go.
Definitely.
And of course, grammatical and spelling and all that's important. So to have someone to proofread it would be great too. Should they come in their business and professional attire? Should they come like they're dressed for their interview?
If they would like to, that would be wonderful. And that way, you know, they can feel a little bit more confident about what they're wearing to their interviews, having another set of eyes kind of check them over and see, you know, what they're doing right and what maybe they could improve a little bit on. Yeah,
that's a good idea. So Career Camp coming up March 10th. And it is there on Daymar's campus?
At the campus.
Okay, on Fitzgerald Industrial Drive. And probably a good chance, too, if you're interested in applying for some of the programs at Daymar. You can get more info while you're there that day.
We'll have all kinds of good information.
Excellent, because getting that education is really another good step to getting the job that you want. All right. Thank you so much, Tracy, for being here with us.
Thanks very
much. From Daymar this morning. We appreciate it. We'll be right back with more AM Kentucky.